Welcome to the Department of Workforce Services Office of Child Care Certification webinar. Certification is a straightforward and vital process designed to ensure that your payments for the coming month are correct and that any changes for the current month that may have been missed are addressed. We want all providers to be paid correctly and avoid overpayments. All licensed family and center providers that receive a subsidy payment in a given month are required to certify in the DWS provider portal between the 25th and the last calendar day of the month. FFN, license exempt programs, and residential certificate providers are exempt from certification, but are still required to report changes timely. To start the certification process, log in to the DWS provider portal between the 25th and the last calendar day of each month. Go to your Children in Care tab and carefully review the details for all cases. Ensure that each case shows the correct children and the correct rate for each child. Report any changes using the actions functions. Remember, you can click the Actions button and click View Details to view all of the details on a case, including the children included in the subsidy case and the amount per child. For more detailed information on what changes must be reported and how to report them, please see the FAQ section on the portal titled, "What changes should I report through the portal and how do I report them?" You may also want to watch the webinar entitled Change Reporting through the DWS Provider Portal. When you are sure that all cases are displaying the correct information for the coming month and that you have reported all necessary changes, you will click the blue Certified button. By clicking the button, you attest that, as the business owner or representative authorized to manage the portal account information for this facility, you have reviewed each case and reported any children who were never in care or attended less than 8 hours in the initial benefit month. You have reported any children who are still enrolled and have not attended for 90 days. You have reported any children who are no longer enrolled or, to your knowledge, will no longer be enrolled next month. You understand that you can be penalized by law if you commit perjury by purposely giving false information, concealing information, or withholding relevant facts or information, or failing to accurately report changes. You understand that you are also required to report any lower negotiated rates you have for individual children and report DWS credits for children who are still in care if I received a higher subsidy payment than what was charged to the customer. Changes reported by the 25th of the current month are made effective the following month. Certification must be completed between the 25th and the last day of the month to be counted. If a provider is unable to certify due to technical issues or other reasons, the provider must contact the Office of Child Care and complete and return a certification form prior to the close of the certification period. Please remember that a provider may be subject to increased monitoring or have payments withheld for failing to complete the monthly certification process. OCC is here to help providers navigate the certification process and related issues. Please email occ@utah.gov for assistance. Thank you for watching, and be sure to view our other provider webinars and refer back to them as needed.